Agentic evaluations make reviewing your agent's issues easy. An issue is a pattern of failure detected across multiple traces in your evaluation. A recurring behavior where your agent isn't performing as expected. From the evaluation results screen, select Review and Optimize. Agentic evaluation identifies issues automatically by analyzing your agent's executions. The Select Issues to Optimize panel lists all identified issues, sorted by severity: high, medium, and low. The most serious ones surface first so you know where to focus. Select any issue to see its details on the right. The details include 4 things for each issue: a description of what went wrong, a root cause analysis explaining why it happened, the affected components, and the associated traces showing you exactly where in the evaluation it occurred. Click Show Traces to open the Trace Details view. On the left, the Traces list displays all associated traces for the issue. The decision tree for the selected trace appears in the Decision Log panel. Select any step to navigate through the agent's execution path. On the right, the Input and Output tabs display details for the selected step: the input, the output, and evidence of an issue if one was detected. Together, these 3 panels give you full context for any issue. Close the Trace Details window to return to the Issues screen. Select the specific issues you want to tackle, then select Start Optimization to move forward and begin the optimization process.